kithurano 2017 risiasa imwekwemwe omena ndene.
Mutegere Oro TV nkeri cia mwanya nibwega sana tubakwithira gwatanirite na atwi ni tuku 29 itiere kithurano kia urais kimbagwithwa kibwithika kiri kibangiri kwithwa kibwithika tariki 17 ni tuku 29 actually ni citiere tubakwithwa twekinya tuku ya kithurano na wala nikikuonekana ni yaga kitumba kwithwa kibwithika no tutukwe narua kampuni ya kubwithia ile bwithitie machine kana mitambo ya Kims ni andikirite IBC tukwe narua webo baiberati tukirabamba kwithwa bare tayari kwithwa baki supply mitambo ingime yaro ni ukinyira tariki 26 mwezi twetete yura ni mwezi wa 10 na nasa nabona wetiba kithurano iki twithika nanga ukia kwithira mendekete kenda yarabane kandirita na bari yeta ni yarama nini buru na yaratumba kwithira kinicho kinyabo anatia nanga yakomba kwithira yekinyanira mutegero Oro TV tuko na arwa niyo mantu tukethwa tukiariria tuko na arwa na turi na mtaalamu wa kisiasa bwana Ringera Kadhurima, karibu sana. Nimebwa sana tukokuja.
Thank you so much.
Tukubatire kwithirwa twina Edwin na urani mukiamo wa Jubilee maybe obakwithirwa ikinya tuze na mbere na tukethirwa tuita na mbere na mubango ya kithurano 2017 kangu gwatogeni wonibitwa Martin Wechongio ndilanga kwira no warene batukirukira Facebook ira ni Wero TV na no tuone mukwe mwekire Facebook fan page yetu ira ni Wero TV itakire Facebook chwa Wero TV no kethirwa itona hu mwekwe mwe kana warene batukire Twitter @Wero TV @Martin Gichongio #, kithurano 2017 karibu sana na mbere Twitter mbere kwiro no rubithiti Eston Gitonga tuone alafu tuketha tuitana mbere.
Kuma kamete ameankana ithurano IBC ekugweta ntariki ya uringi bwa kura tantaiki 17 mweri twetete ikwethetwo na nkuchanio inyinge gatigati ka IBC na ngwataniro ya NASA. Mutongeria ngwataniro eje Raila Odinga amberia na kuga ataurua ntaiki ya kithurano ni IBC ontoboria kinya mutongeria Ontheguru Uhuru Kenyatta augire atina thina na ntaiki eu nonto kinyoe ataurua ni IBC. Kuringana na watho, rais no bateria kurugura bunge. Endelea rais Uhuru ete kurugura bunge, Raila na ngwataniro ya NASA ibareganaga na etagaria riu bakiuga atina mainya ja kurugura bunge. Ende kuringana katiba, rais Ontheguru no bateria kurugura bunge. Na nyuma koti nene kuregana na mpumi cha kithurano kia rais ena mainya jaria aina jo mwanka kithurano kenge kia rais kethithwe. Na nyuma ya kamete ameankana ithurano IBC kurita ntukwe kithurano ruterwa NASA ibachumeretie na kuga ate bateta kithurano nekeu kethwa kikaetithwa na mbere ni kamete ya IBC iria irio. NASA baugete ati IBC netitherie kithurano kitari na mana wero na nonto bau batetikiria betithia kithurano kenge.
And the court has declared by the will of the majority in the court that the previous elections were not conducted in accordance with the Constitution and the law.
We will have to look deeply into the conduct of the Electoral Commission. We do not have faith that they are capable of conducting a free and fair election.
As has been said by my other colleagues, we have no faith at all in the Electoral Commission as currently constituted.
Na kampuni ere anenkerite nda kuritithia matasi ja uringi kura ya Al Ghurair ibanenketo tendeu okaire ende NASA ibaugete bategwetekaniria na kampuni eu kunenkerwa tendeu kaire. Na kampuni ere athithetie machini cia uringithia kura Kims Safran ibaugete machini iria ciatumikire kithurano kia mweri Joanana itetumirwo kaire nonto chiona data ya kithurano keu nonto bobo ntariki iria banenkeri no bare mwe kuthithia machini inge inyinge injero cia kithurano keu gikeru. Ore kithurano kigweti kuthithika mweri twetete Raila Odinga naugite ateana bachukuru baria babateria kwamberia igerio biao ntaiki 30 mweri twetete no barege kubithithia akiuga ana batekua ni kigerio gutirithwa. Na kinya biashara mwanya iba uteta bakiuga siasa ni bathoketia ngugi ciao muno nonto anto barigwa be ugwatine.
Teti politics ne biudaga kana katharia. No right now ni turona kwina andu mai na guoya wa guka thiini wa kituo gietu kana ecology yetu. Especially last week twaenda ageni amwe kuma Washington, America na marevariria gucoka kwao mbere ya tariki 17 Oktoba no ndwa ithurano iria ciukite.
Affectete muno tondu riu twina kindu kiria tureta wait and see. Ina riu wana mundu kwenda gwika kaundu kengi angika kimbiashara ndaramenya ati reaction ni ukatia na kwoguo nitako twikarite mathiga na tungiuria acio nao mai murengo ri uria wingi ni mecirie tondu onthe twi andu a Kenya twi kindu kimwe na twagiriru tuthi twinjire imwe.
Mbere ni ingiuga ni ati nundu gwikara gwikarite kisiasa particularly at the national level ni gukorwo twasuaci ugu tutwega tondu kura kumwe tunyamo turia tugenda kugera kundu ukethera tutire katia tutironeka kana ukathiukerwa wathiukerwa ai nindi mure tu stoko tondu ndiamenya ugakora kuvana atia.
Na nande kiuria nere kithurano gikathithika tariki 17 mweri twitite aritwa bakageta igerio biao riria bibangeri maabisa banande ba IBC bagetithia na mbere kithurano kia mweri twitite na tukarega gweta kithurano ne nyuma ya ntuku 60 uria kubaterie tukethwa tugetagia utate na katiba na bobo kathithika imbi kiongwa gigeta na mbere. Eston Gitonga, kithurano 2017.
Na mutegeri kiu nikio kiuri gikurwa thai kukeya kwithirwa kithurano gikiti gwithika ndene ya ntuku 60 ijite ni atakwa karika aranire batukirukira 40321 maoni yaku ni yariko no rona Kenya kithirwa ri antu ariko tutikwenda kwithirwa twikira antu kwa but then kuri mtu mo ari au ati Kenya situation ni ere thai ni ya wait and see tutere tuone buku akarika then what kwa kwithirwa kithurano kitwithika tariki 17.
According to the Supreme Court general instructions, election no market within 60 days.
Yeah.
Na wakati katiba utena weko itakuwa na options.
Yeah.
After 60 days, itikete area kwa within 60 days, tisa unu kubiro kara. Itakuwa na any option. So option ile ni mwake kuzidia kura within the 60 days.
Yeah.
Na IBC ekareka kuthithia uchaguzi within 60 days.
Yeah.
Anything can happen. Nobody tangonya bongo. Supreme Court no the Supreme Court ne kajana direction after that.
Yeah.
Ekadura IBC etomba kuthithia uchaguzi before 60 days. IBC no manga Supreme Court ya another direction. Ula kwa kara.
But you see kwina mantu amingi sana maendekithia NASA kwenda thai ni kwenda mantu kenda mba kwithwa kibithikana bariwa ni irreducible yaya tuba kunishwa tubo yaya itankuruki
lakini mugatu menyere rira Supreme Court ya jana instructions kana direction etagwite etanekanire any condition kaya IBC body the election within 60 days etajanire vikwazo kana no mwaka bodi ojo anga system yenu bwo kirengi anga print alete ungi watagire mamzo jonde bagire ake election in conformity with the law egeta ni na sheria ya Kenya. Yes, so bata bayare any condition so nande NASA no bane kan condition chiao lakini NASA no mwaka to likane NASA i player NASA imto ura uli one of the person ro kwenda utaro so inyakeda na kwa na condition yewe tira sima IBC emit condition richo de NASA no na tira sima nyana sa
one thing ni ate baku ate kithurano ke but ku ate kaba the other day by the way niro Musalia Mudavadi eleza na ka ate batu ko boycott kithurano katu ku aketebwethika
lakini na tabakari ile IBC ku the direction yes on the IBC get print papers ete utangaza ntukurandi tariki 17 etangaza ite the printing of the ballot papers ete machine cha identify ekadia manto jonde kedere kadia ntunande machine to kuiro itomba kinya lakini kedere kadia manto jonde ntuno makabadi ngate sheria that's the point sheria ete kuwa no maka chiro bedro ateo ali sheria ete kuwa no maka machine chidro iteo
but in some way utikona yaka NASA bari justified ku anto bamwe ni baumaruke onto secretariat ya IBC no kuringana na yamba orari aitirwe ni ati ni kwari na irregularities na illegalities let's atumire kithurano gikiteanirwo so maybe you can go whether you want to illegal anto maybe you should go out
no NASA bai na haki yao haki reo kabisa no tukethirwa process kintu gikwirwa gitibui then kwina mtu ro tumite kethirwa gitibui which is true na the problem of the hierarchy Supreme Court iterwa no that's why to the judgment e deliver to menye kethirwa CEO kethirwa ni technical director kethirwa i chairman ndo mbaka dai to ruga chiloba ume na mbaka dai chairman no ina dena so the problem ire kana crisis ire ro dai otutumba kuoneria no and that's why kuona njara chikwati cha IBC na nyeni podier sura wena mantuja kupush no the problem will be NASA na ndio bogete chiroba ume anga IT director anga ba kwedwe judgment ya kawo that will be even a bigger crisis nzanza bakole NASA imenyere yes
okay now bwana Ringera you see kampuni ya kubwithia mitambo ya Kings yongwa ni wete kombeka bakaremwe ko supply tumachin tutuono ntono mwankaba onde another set ya memory cards ngiri 48 siwe kira machine ira ringi nonto bate kwenda data ira mbere ya tampered with kana ithukangwa no of course kuringana na katiba data ira ne bati kuwekwa mwanka meri at least
6 years actually
6 years
yes.
You see
minimum should be
so
6
maybe
to 6
kwa beka obukithiro rigi tube kubithika tariki 2020 tariki 17 but then just a minute Kenya kukiotweka ati machinira ikuremo Kenya by that time that means NASA no bakendelea ku insist no tube na mendekethe yo yaraba kwenda yabithika
usina another problem will be is tigi nyaba safran kuremo supply te odina NASA ruga bate kwenda safran
yes
inyama bara supply bara supply bate ko benda so that's one is a bigger problem nondo katiba ya ugere no manka identification voter in the rural electronics so otu tumba kweta back to manual system 100% ugere manual system eketweri backup ya electronics system so no manka mtu akire ku identify na electronic erema ile tumba kweta manual
NASA kaba too much
takabale too much menya ora kukaraga o chindwa no mwaka wakikishe mantu yonde straight kana no kalete procedure yonde kana ndo geta ke dura none wedra uja no kalete you see no mwaka tunamboga oromo injoka
ona kamunyankia
nande NASA pachiba apa kugeria kurigeria kenda kwina wamba bukathithika bwithiro iminimo kana otubu yes so nande kira ndikomenya I company ri kwingi yomba kureta no more equipment you within time rero no to IBC so far patera mbiro chwa anybody else so no mangato menye bakina bakaita muntu oro kaleta equipment siria a configure na distribute eje Kenya na distribute to police stations before 60 days are over
so IBC batekwenda NASA batekwenda Safran batekwenda returning officers barikuo batekwenda Chiloba na secretariat bangi na technical directors all those nipo to kugora se kaba too much demand iti otomba kwithro itiomba can they be met ever
they can be met
na ntuko witiere
katiba yani IBC ka serious kina manzore ko didia they can be met lakini andene another the inerereo IBC is an independent institution yani ne protect ke katiba nande no mogenya babende kuonania tena sabaga utwira no ntupaketa baka dia manzore jana na segwitia then kwa kara like if IBC is independent no tune ai powers ne protect ke katiba then nane ne kipote ko dia man turapo kwenda ti urapo kwirwa so yomba ekathia mantu yonse rana se kuga then nyande kurio ndhe kona uti independence area
uti independence area
Yes.
kaba
So,
kwatho
kaba kwatho ni kana ni player no eja uge kira kwenda na gikathithika tuko kwenda ngania kauma na tira simethero ngania ukaina thina ali nontu nyatha ai nyakithana na saba kuga pate kwenda Chiloba inyoka boje exactly in ground ile kopo tiko kwenda Chiloba nio bali uga no direction ya shambolic lakini ni kwa shambolic isiti Chiloba it can be chairman it can be returning officer barabara leo
kana maybe Chebukati niwe wekire Chiloba thina
exactly
ya kumwandikira memos
why are they specific on Chiloba why are they specific on Mwati why are they specific on any mtu individual ija kabwe na proof kakwe ubwiji ambaye inya IBC ongo etije
okay
ndo nya Chiloba IBC by the way bale retreat bagereri ndo kata kenya memoria yandiki IBC bagereti lakini nande pataka bakona no twinge Chiloba ento amunga no grounds no eta continue akawa why mmenivuta kwa sababu ya nimefanya nini na ute prove leo utomba ku prove noe waire kura utomba ku prove no supply reform iticho isa nyanto baba inge ba ko involved
kuna returning officers
yes
barabara
kuna nto baba inge mono ba involved so utomba ku wati dia mtomo monitor na kitu me kuona nyale corruption ijaga nyale ministers ba ditangero ja akina wano iguru ibetere ba quitted ndo baba yes you need in charge ya lakini technical person ingania
permanent secretary
person dire kare kurukia becha ni ngania tekwa lakini you need in charge ya ndo katoka ndo hadidia
okay kile SMS omwarua it is possible to vote after our exams because tension is high in Kenya ndera sken kuma kaongo wengine alichita Edwin Tush kuma yitie mimi naona if there will be no elections Prezo Uhuru Muigai must be declared as the president how of course atoba kwa declared as the president I think well katiba is so silent on that not kukolela cia section 142(1) niye kwa at least manduba tete weta after 60 days nata uketha ukari the only thing I think niko ukethra kuri na some caretaker government kana kaba karaniriana
the more it's only Supreme Court as in 60 days kedro etomba called election no mo kama zoe toka kwa Supreme Court Supreme Court ya another direction na the only direction ndio kwa jana according to urando document document you is another 60 days yes
another 60 days
another 60 days because the office of the president can only be vacant president yedro atena capacity that says na umetendo kana naji tue yani to the extent that atomba kwa president kana akua kana aka impeached yes kotena any other reason leo mboto president office of the president ya vacant
maybe no bakare ndiba kawatanira nusumkate na maybe bona
kutombeka nondore constitution itakuwa jana that provision
kinya 207 kutarina that provision 208
lakini kutarina katika katiba meana njerwe ni 2010 yes 207 hii tareo
maybe you can settle something outside the constitution
you cannot katiba je kwiribweka kuchenjia anything in it no mwaka ekuruku 2/3 majority in parliament and then no mwaka through referendum yes
tena fasi ya
kuru Kennedy
ita na kwa radio watu mtekerio kira 40321 namba yetu SMS kana kiretita @weru TV @martin gichunge 1 hashtag ya kidhurano 2017 tukidha comments yaku tuita na mbere so bwana ringira as things stands NASA I mean IBC bari ina dilemma no tuo
IBC ora kuonania nonto memoranda mera chairman ande krite CEO eko leak eko mara ome nona ndiye kabisa kuna weakness nonto in any organization kile company any ukadora kuna proper organization uteu document jera yumara so it eko ola ya umarire it means anto batea mwe baba na kwedora anto batea mwe iketu ba betere na Ivasha kena baraniria no kuona mbere beta na Ivasha kinya chairman na lea akwa convinced chiloba no mwangete lakini bakweta Naivasha ija garukire no, which means kwina thina kiri IBC kwina obate kuganirwa kana kwina omuntu akona jaka kwina muchezo jo kuendelea atije na of course kwina wanza moja kumira very open ni hata komba kwithirwa numura documentary ja no that 4A ni hata ina fake ya umire na genuine ira na watermark ne printer ne jano alafu out of them kwithire 41 I mean that 4A akwe 10,000 itali na watermark haya that 4B around 100 of them itali na watermark
ankurie nitu ntupo mbere bubazi nitu ntupo azitikira sini
na niketu mikokwera there was a problem nondo oteu pomba kedro buchi bangete kitere uronde na document ne printer we 290 documents they are so small lakini out of them boka dioronke na boka nenkanera kunda alafu egana reke ya fake oteko ne na kwena dena out of 41,000 ngirie 10 ikaumira fake it shows there's a problem na Supreme Court ne ugere tureterwe pata ugere ebare terwe kali.
So in this case maybe NASA bari justified na manto yayo oba kuwa to
yes they are justified
na bena ka ubwa
of course on rwanda kadri to three form kabisa to gaitore terwe nandi era yongwa era Supreme Court yetiri the exact document and then after around 1 day I think they are 48 hours or so but the document fake it na watermark it saini it na ambi so no kone outer three there was a problem and which means now the I tutomba kwedwa tutomba kuga IBC tena dena no tutomba kwedwa kedwa form tu yaweta koyoredwa ne kwedwa na dena na ne print ro ne argurea ni na aina to kuga tena dena
so itaruri othe to yukiri kwithira ma form si print and all that na kuthurana kithurano and here twina tuko inkai sana na iba kwenda kuilisha nkurukie ya 60 days then together twina kanya ka kubwithia mantu yayo othe yara mire kwithia that time
but an option ma ye katiba pakale akuthi election within 60 days inyakethero tugacho kwa Supreme Court na Supreme Court yejane direction no moka mtu ay punished no durante IBC to 60 days kedera butromba kuthia niki imbieteo so hiyo ni mtu no mwaka na ndio IBC I mean Supreme Court ikaja na 60 days itaja ni condition ya kedi according to conformity of the Kenyan law itaugere nitigrities chandene so nande iboba aburi kweta bakona tutona that makosa ndio iba ibene tutona that 4 genuine paka teka returning officers baraba leo kana presiding officers baka iboba aburi ko take action on them me kedro ogwe uli wale returning officer kire a constituency era itere one of the fake that the 4Bs nato komba wikiro okaire it is not possible yani kedha IBC ne kwenda kochi kwa territory yao it is not possible no mwaka wite mtore kenda wikira mtungi
okay Jubilee ni well sometimes president arrest State House na wira ate Raila Odinga kinyaki akuikie tikia president ateta meri that to tamurita no tiba tu ina numbers so kwethira Jubilee bena numbers zoba ingime ibini aba ku suppress kana ku inyelia sana Ruteri Regani korwa democracy somehow
democracy uga minority have their way but majority have their say and that is democracy ukateka 2013 togo wakare Jubilee I mean TNA and URP na barabara aligned to President Uhuru ibaba majority in parliament no ukateka uteke ndo batombere okurukia ukateka last parliament it was the easiest uteke ndo batombere okurukia kile bako na okurukia and this time they even went further by a shot of around 13 MPs by super majority as in there is nothing they cannot do in that parliament Kenya katiba no change so that is democracy na katiba yeje ure kali yeje njero yeje te ku increase democratic space everybody is protected yegeto mkwenda maraga I protected na judiciary yewe IBC is protected na chairman wao na CEO wao they are them to decide kile mazaba kana kodidia so the executive arms of the government chonde chena a big independence president atomba kodidia ola Kibaki alidia kana Moi atomba no mwakati katika eje no mwaka parliament is already in place and that's why Jubilee was fighting so hard they were in a super majority kile parliament
okay
kile senate by no already kile parliament by short of around 13 MPs
so much manto mengi sana ndito karika kaitene ka for example kidhurano kya classit na kya na kidhurano kya form 4 ibi kiomba kwa tampered with ibi desire time manto bambire kudhoania manto ama yangi nkurukia kidhurano biashara sio ngwa ukoona hawa biashara baliwa tu Anthony we are
it is down it's down wana nindi mfanye biashara na biashara chini serious udum doko na nyam bank yongwe tumbo ko nyalo ndai and bata ko mena kedro what will happen station ni endelea travel advisories ni ajani kumakero dirikarichia chongo America Britain b ibajana travel advisories which tells you to kendrea kwenye station yeje atokeda tukidire ya twingwa but then now when it comes to Montoya democracy it is better to suffer that way lakini democracy is very prevalent kena kiongozi watu kada tu no edrali kiongozi watu kwenda te kiongozi wao uwekirona ndo ba convenience no magada kiongozi watu kwenda tukumia lakini wao ni watu kwenda yes
Raila ina chance yoshinda kana kaukira kidhurano only all these demands you know
okay what I look at when you look at the figures numbers non to election in numbers ikura iroga alingiro ogataka numbers uru no in numbers no ngandora bakale go muringira kura non to when you look at Rift Valley 4.6 million Central around Mount Kenya around 3.2 million. No, this one around over 1 million. And then Iria Karoma now.
Western Arakwa Baken Lusaka.
Baken Lusaka Nambi. Hicho kinyakwe milioni kenda bwana nyanya.
Na tubu ndi kanero adini to kare na rono rwa kumanterese mai ditatu. Atongere banasa ni bokare na ba makarina na okare na Panorengo kina Junet Mohamed na well no tu anto ni ba kai sana bokari mchamani ni comparing na kana tukio compare na ura mchamani era ila ida ro ito nura ila to kari ko kana anto kabada ka warada maneria munya
ukateka I think kwena after election anto body review I think TVA yetu wero and ndakaicha uga Twitter no
tela reaction Twitter na okuibo bichekesho
Twitter na okuibo bichekesho Raila tetara kero mbakura keza ko tudekia so likely ni ukuri kama
so maybe made era to one swing vote sometimes back
it is not a swing vote no toka taka kedra miru yonde out of 700,000 702,000 halingira kura 55,000 so tekona na negligible lakini eno kona out of 700,000 ulingiri 55,000 na otaka crowd ire eja galira na ire jetamiru itu tueregera mbuga nyali ngiro kura ngirimba kana zairi yes kana ngirimba kana tatu can that make sense ya effort era diditi
so na roko tukare na ntawe ngime chama nene ya nasa
eno ntonto balenda
nonto Raila atokari kuka na nonto ati barada
nonto Raila atokari ku nonto muchema no jo Raila jonasa anto beja mono kudikira manto jo Raila bichekeso bibia yes I don't know, it is most of the country is like that.
Let me ask you. Kaitene ka 55,000 ira ke kania kana kwebebi kongele kao.
Likely kania.
Why?
Number one, Mount Kenya is largely a Jubilee zone.
Meru in particular.
In Meru is a Jubilee zone. Number kotaka Uhuru arena 480,000 votes. Na Raila na 55 so ni kuona kabisa this is a Jubilee zone alafu antobara bengi kire the 55,000 likely baka prevailed nonto itubaiji ento bara bengi boga oni karingira baba na oni na pame bogire ndaringire baba na yaba mo nya chore ba ko imboleti na imbaiji lakini bakambira na this time ai ntetakure kwani
so anto ba ko move on
gozo 55,000 ikanyia mono
yeah
no ndurande otiaja kuendelea. I mean, this is a zone which knows Jubilee. Yes. So ananta bara bengi bakaringira Jubilee plus nande baba ibaugire nasa ne ugire eteta kulinga kura nara kwe mostly Jubilee. So that's why kitu mwinya Raila tejere maritatu narua gata mbakazi.
yeah
And you see ndio yani kabandi ringe ja maritatu kurukia kwita mbakazi. Ndio mbakazi ukato Nairobi wera tutu abatora.
yeah
Lakini I don't know mbaka tegerenya ona goteke kitu kirene kuona no.
maybe no to munya na thamire ko ntware ko
Ale menya munya is different from kura cha nasa.
yeah
Omenyo munya is very different.
how
Munya gweta nasa otikure tete ajio.
otebi abaikire
Otikure tete ajio sincerely. Tokiara yo manondo akethro munya na le pronasa. Kura atenga na kura tuta 2000. Nasa bona 55,000.
yeah
No.
but itarira na si associate na Jubilee au au ni kure kwende ringiro huru but this time tuko kiendaira ejire tuko kiendaira ejire kuonekana na bwithire michemanio maybe na rekuwa straight gwita nasa so maybe to that era maybe eta nini
Ale atengeta na tudate.
yeah
Buga arenge maintain the 55,000. Londrande 55,000 new eringira nasa. Eu ke gwitikani na nasa. Me odomba ora ukaraga when a government is in place. And they go seek re-election. When nye mono lose votes na lena ina kungwato. Lakini opposition ira ederero kurereka agwata. Ikagwata kura ndo kabisa na gwitikani abo. No kateka ntobo 55,000 most of them. They are diehards. Banasa. They believe in NASA. They never believe in Raila. So it is very different nande from now. Na munya nande aletre na choka.
yeah
Nuje momero maenda anchamba la ingo.
yeah
Na nande munya na kwenda na kuduke toera la ingo.
yeah
No turande tuteko munya how to what extent can we believe this guy? Nuje to baku wa na sakairi. Na nakumenya ira atemba control nande voters nyaba papa para supporter he may not be able to control them ndio kwa motivation ya wale ya weta nasa after 9 days akachoka Jubilee mpi then definitely it is money
but maybe kendo tishia Jubilee
mbuka
amone no mbite
je kiondo agera ya giteitia
well, hey gentlemen, if 60 days go without elections we'll have a constitution crisis of course. Okay, meaning the next step will be taken out of a constitution which can be Raila resign and let Uhuru be the president, which can be nusu mkate deal, or maybe letting Supreme Court give directions. All I'm telling Kenyan is keep peace during and after the elections. Let's pray for our land. Wengine wako wa NASA hawataki uchaguzi, wanataka mzunguko wao waonekane ne SK kumatima ungino wakawa NASA nethire ogwa nironere kaigwatia ka IBC tariki u no shoni ni kinywa kuma magaya munidho ungino wakawa hai naitwa Lydia nikiwa maku mimi nasema NASA wako na kampuni ya omena wachapishe makaratasi yao ya kura wametuchokesha Jubilee tosha NASA kama ukirithurano once again
mimi ndio naje like if aba kutaka bakona bodena numbers so baka gere create any situation no tunande naronde kudhikira argument yao about printing bakabuga it is the work inguge printer kuhakikisha documents zira chitumiri genuine but it is not.
I think it is.
No, it is not. Wero TV narua egeta kanengera printer ngania guge printer mata sijaja printer adiriam anenkera wero TV martas jara ni atang ugie ekedro ora mataja atumroli ngate kanga ugie printer iwezi wero ejuke matajara kumage printer ulega atumira printer tedro na uhusiano najo so it is the same
as long as wena abwidri maratasi
yes now that's what algurea barugire si tu print makaratasi vile tulipatiwa instruction na order ni oe na ito printed exactly like that nada fake returning papers chia 34B na 34H umire si atujui lakini si tuliprint genuine na toaleta yes so when it comes to kwe mantuja mwana saba wetia ukedra kinya print ongea kanenkero ute control mbaka dra ino atomba kwa ku dictator ora matajara ka print ja tumiro ballot papers ka print ekren degene kana letenangale kana whatever anenkera IBC IBC ejokia ni ka distribute ballot papers iria ejo matajara ja ku declare results ni ka jokia IBC itendera ina mtu print au kudinga taona naja kaikwa hakuna
okay so bwana ringira katu ku face katu ithinene katiba constitutional crisis right now.
No, we are not yet in any crisis. What crisis tu ni? Kila kileo atu na thine una leche cha kwethwa kwa kwenda ita mbere within just the 60 days. Tuna mwaka that the 1st October. So kwa kwenda ita kwenda that the 1st now well this will take crisis ile uma so far. Yes.
Na tukunaru Raila Odinga are interesi Embakasi na wire ati Jumatano eje Bakonia actually ure Tokonia Chiloba bora tuone di Sakasana kuko maanisha hata
iba for demonstrations na nambi lakini mea demonstrations ile ita igategemea to what extent wananchi bagetekaniria jo na kere igategemea to what extent IBC ikareaction durante da IG Izakasan it was commissioners. Now they were demonstrating against the Kenyan government. And the government in a power with commissioners. Lakini government itina power with a CEO. It is the commission. Nobody with a CEO and those are staff. Every staff ne ande kwa. Kwa u tengu ye uru na dirikalewe kwenda Chebukati itachiloba hapana
commission
yongo bure commissioners bara baburo karande baka mwa CEO hojo atakwita ngwebwega so baka muvuta baka advertise the position kana baka yukia somebody else on an acting capacity
baki akwedi on tububu keda bagirite
yes kikatiba it is all right no ba point
given the time itaratu inarodha kuma dhaimu anga tariki 31 kana tariki imwe tuko 60 kudira baki akwedi commission weki akukitagarirwe kubuta Chiloba is it the right decision bomba kwetha babwithite bibi yotethi ya Kenya kendana sabanirwa and all that
if mbuga it is the right direction if Chiloba any commission nego prove Chiloba is not the right person for the job yes wakati mtojo tempo tu atenguita ngura kwa gerite teno bumuite lakini wakataka mwakadha hii kuma rira Supreme Court ya judgment mwakadha hii Chiloba atiromba kuitwa iko maanisha iba umutegemea mbono no wakataka rira Isaac Hassan baitawa Chiloba endelee na program ya nyumwera IBC Isaac Hassan bakiro jawabo mwaka uma bange ba recruited
na kuendelea na nguvu
ba recruitwa na Chiloba was doing mantu jamo very sensitive voter registration Chiloba idiri atena any commission atena any commission in place na register mwaka adiria bere commissioners beja so it shows you
so maybe na watu kwa credit for that
nundu Chiloba na nene kumaanisha na kwete IBC technically I know so much about IBC commissioners baba inyabo ngo gateka iba kore mu mwitono they are relying on him so much iba mutegemea mono ki Quran operations and you know commissioners bakaraja board members ni antoba board te patina clue of operations na batena yata imera ukarirande ba determine the operation regeta so ipo kotaka bakola ekif paka itachiloba operation ile ikaba tatiza na baba kuleta mtu ngenya kawas mtu chiloba na je procedures na je operation ile iburi gweta na je ora martas ya buri ko distribute na mbina so IBC commissioners in kuona jaka bateke that element of operation bale mo itachilobo.
Okay. Kirese Meso Maru, I differ with the opinion that Raila will not get 55,000. For me, I had voted for Uhuru, and this round I'm voting for Raila. NASA recent Jubilee leadership costed MP seat in North Imenti and down on the ground campaigning for NASA. NASA will get protest votes.
Yeah, they can get, but now if NASA is not coming to campaign, NASA ite kwa area Miru, ibaromba kura. Then nataba kaona kura hii.
The foot soldiers, baratu tuere kwa area.
Hii baina habari, pa Professor Kindikio, where are you?
Kindiki na chokere South Africa.
Yes. Pai kubo.
Hii makarina no.
Hii makarina keno tigi na.
Maybe wakiri.
Yes. So eke ya kwedro na menya. One of the reasons why NASA only 55,000 votes only in Miru. Nozba kwedro Italian candidates. Actually NASA ya kuona more. Yekedro na munya kedro netre NASA orire. Munya pibe ya kuona more votes. Lakini na ndio bakwedro potena candidates, potena ndabako foot soldiers bako barwera. Then kuinenya monobo convince yato.
Maybe NASA di babati ku retain munya. See, I think it was so loose for them kwedro bakire kamunya.
Of course, actually that was a very good move.
I think watu bunekira something bigger nkurukia
State House.
Nkurukia principal. Kumwedia principal, sixth principal.
Alenya menya bale mwedia principal, menya munyo umetekere election. Na umetekere election wenda weta kontu. Oka temo kanto bana kakora pole. That's where the Kenyan politics is. And aina nde Uhuru and Ruto, where they are now, they're in the government. Na baina resources. Chetirikari na chiao. So they have a lot they can use. Ndo kata Uhuru ne mechemena da weka ale kana state lodge. State lodge ote Jubilee te tumera mecha nao. Itimbe chetirikari. Ichi ko tumera nao kurugera ntobo bonde. Na ko chokero mo te mo chokero angambi. So it is imaginary iraba tumera but they have powers.
Yes. You see, ruari tukwaracia na muchoro mokwa na mbira ati na actually torari kinyana rono na mbira kure imwe ira Jubilee bakone ngi to for example igembe sawa no to bibi bwa bomo bunge wona harairo ngare ni president utobuno bo tume mtu akaiwa okay this president really cares
na mtu mkunangera prado milioni 5 just like that rungoroka haya ukataka uromo golere ma suits no mtu State House you yes etra mukia ndukene vai ago lo suits chekungana so ukataka kuona mwana wenu na ku appreciated so kuona president wa tatu ki by the way
yene boka bibi bobo kan president boka Uhuru kura
yes igembe meka jana kala ke na manao ke na mau campaign nao uruga campaign na bangana na MP nande
of course na mbona nitakufanyia kazi mzee
yes ukharega mubutirata akonenkera ngari ukugulirwa nguo uli MP wena power sile cha MP na plus mwiriki John Paul ule akari aina passionate politics azini mtu mba weka Anton na kawalire na baka abakarura so no gataka kurire nyingi chia the 55,000 ila nyingi chumete gembe. That's what I came to learn.
Yeah, chumete gembe na maybe bobo achinche no ntoboa John Paul.
John Paul moka moro is a young man. Ora mtu unyawi je kwa na kutetera. Again, but this time in a serious MPs by the way. Nuntu ena John Paul ena Kirego na moka moro. This time again should be very different.
Okay. Ogino wa saseni vile mi naona as if Raila anaogopa elections, kila siku akubali tu Uhuru apishwe aendelee na kazi hata hiyo election ikae ni jambiku malaro. Wengine wakawa Jubilee wanaogopa NASA, NASA wanaogopa Jubilee, IBC wanaogopa NASA, debe ni moja, Jubilee wako chonjo na election, NASA kiwanja iko na miba. What's happening? Wengine wakawa mambo vipi? Mimi nasema Mungu ndiye atachagua kiongozi mwema. Wengine wakawa NASA ndio ina na mitambo yao na ibaji niyo Syria. Okay. Wengine wakawa Mato salimia huyo mgeni amesalimika. I think NASA wame demand too much. Let them at least give us a break. Let NASA know that wao si Kenya. Kenya ni sisi wananchi na sisi ndio tunaamua, so wanafaa wasikizane wenyewe, alafu IBC waache kusukumwa kufanya vile wanasiasa wanasema, wajue wako na mandate ya kufanya vile wanataka bila consult any parties. So au kwa kulingana na SMS maybe tuamono waibu very pissed off ni demand sisi NASA every other time mena new demand kwa tunataka hivi mimi mtu anakarandha kwa antoka kwa too much.
Yeah, ma cry babies. Waweta kana whining. You karaoke whine out throughout. Na uteko nene why?
Ndio tobo aba spoiler. Baba do kiria.
Eka batu just some votes because of that one. And especially and this one onto any economy you control our business people na kana wealthy creators. Na pakana bara baleta otonga kiri ndeguru na nde bara bakedro abate abakoro wana bona stationary reo then bakambira ko fight back then ba ambiriti already then it means NASA might suffer in the process nondo inya support ira bara ejawa bateona inya kimbecha kana inya kimadogani na nande unu with that direction now nondo kateka tourism ke kukua travel advisory chair no chendra ko ja no if we don't do election within the 60 days likely what will happen is the Supreme Court ke kaja another 60 days which means to get an election carry from October 31st
somewhere February
to January, end of January. End of
February 2nd.
Yes, so no corner or to akarane to get in a situation which we don't know what will happen.
So maybe aunio ba kara ndipo believe watane out of the constitution.
But you mbako watane na ndo katiba yetu ba kanya kau. Me katiba yetu kwa na kanya coalition government. No. It can the caretaker government can come in if the president is not rightfully detained. Yeah. As only caretaker government you mbako ya. Others
tayu uru ni caretaker.
It's not a caretaker government.
The full president?
There is a full president.
Na full responsibility say president?
Yeah, full except nomination.
Yeah.
Yes. They are to nominate cabinet secretary, kana judges, kana ambassadors. That's the only power rate. Ingecho ndai nacho. That's why nya arugulire parliament.
Yeah.
Yes. Okada kwedro ata batiko kura parliament. Pa balengeta ke Supreme Court na bakarongeka.
Speaking of that, kurura parliament. Da inasa batedri to ba yetambunge. Na ikaro tayari libitete boi bikinyete bitano da ibira bikari ni mbunge. Maybe by next week but one speak about kudeclare it be vacant.
Yeah, oteke duwe kadoku yawe drole ote in the same side with the speaker and then you are protesting. Oteke duwe kadoku ya kiu. Actually next week in kuona na sabonde ba get parliament you. There's no way of akarauto.
Lazima no mwankabete.
Yes, ndo lega kuita speaker kisheria aina right 8 sittings. Ndio kara 8 sittings.
So Thursday and tuko ingi kana itarere ngi tuona bakibwethia sittings maybe on Thursdays either remwe. But this Thursday barabwethia sittings ijire ne tu ara ko ko surprise NASA maybe kenda tukinyanga itu.
Menyada hii no magato menye the kind of government we are running. It is somehow parliamentarian.
Yeah.
So parliament nene mono. Ne controla nya presidency. So parliament in independence yeo na inyeo. So the moment
of course
MPs, yes. So the moment MPs bako tuma parliament reka Quran. speaker no mwakaji ukiatua na ituije in case of anything the speaker is the third person umma kwa usukani ba kuongoza Kenya. President yateo na deputy yateo is speaker of National Assembly. Kumaanisha speaker is not a small person. So speaker na parliament they control, they mean a lot to the Kenyan government and Kenyan economy. Kwa hiyo dhaiji nande no moga speaker edrewe ai control la parliament yewe kulingana na ule katiba mwete powers. So NASA no moga I think when next week bakenda bako menya no nduga teka tayari kwenda MPs bara bainge be kamba ngambimbi bare ibaretere no bara ugere by the unta talero bita kwa NASA unda talero bita parliament una ma member of parliament so no moga bita parliament so it is anything is possible within the
soon bira ile umakuisidra yo ngwa
me Raila had anything to lose. MP had declared vacantry in Raila kumi. Utino MP no katokagere u campaign.
Okay.
Yes.
Kuro muku wa Chebukati inawezekana anatumiwa na NASA ni mwenda kuma Igembe Central. Una kitu kama hiyo?
Nteko dogania. It is that Chebukati na commission yewe abako gere kwa impasho. Na bako gere kuleta anto amwekenda
katiba batumike uyo kuma Igembe Central bibi no ndo bakwithirwa Chebukati na ndikire Chiloba memo
lakini memo era ukamethoma bwega era it was just inyao gwengo kethora rigo chairman no uringithithia you must seek these questions lakini ande documentura ya umarire ome no tutokomenya ure ya umaumira ome lakini bila Chebukati ora ya kijani ngwande chairman I will ask the same questions. Ne hata borome form itareo. Yes. Ne hata system ya kalio. I must ask those questions. You must, and the way it is good to ask in writing so to get the results back in writing. Can and the way you can use that document to judge that person. Go. I don't think there is anything to do with that one.
Okay. NASA ni ugua bare na buo ibare kane na Uhuru aitenguge uguna kaua hata Yesu akija kusimama kura ya Kenya Raila atasema huyo Yesu ndiye atamuiba zaidi. Raila is never satisfied. Uguna kaua mimi kura yangu ilikuwa ya NASA lakini sasa hii niko kwa mlango kama nataka kuondoka ni J Karaisi mbele hata Mutuati. Asante sana unge waele watu hebu niulizie huyo analyst kwani Munya hana haki ya kwenda Jubilee?
Na Munya kuna haki, that's why tukuga kuita NASA kuita NASA it was a political move kuita NASA lakini ndio kuona Jubilee is a better place na nako appreciated more then that was it kaire in politics utenda kwenda naro kwetua wenda kwenda naro kwewa kana naro kwewa at least some grounds cha kwita rambere so I think move wewe kutoka to Jubilee it was a better move because
I think maybe that was fast.
It was fast. It was very fast don't do.
Na maybe atawabebo mu discredit no to 9 days.
Yeah, Mumeru. Yeah. Mumeru karama Mount Kenya atenda mtu kuyumba. And when you do your move ukatara madhabu ja kubwa ugeta ulimu. Nonto nyaga taka mbisha jamiru. Ukadura na mtu bukaranya bukija kwigano kairi. Bukara mono na banya mkola kwigano buru.
Na maybe I have nothing to lose also.
Lakini menyano is young. Na nde munya woni kedra ande munya mpambele ko chi prepare to take back kiteke a governor kana kia president 2022. On the president 2022 he can really make a big shot to the governor again.
I think nabati ko doma kuma kile Kalonzo I think sometimes we don't ba muita watermelon.
Na ko ba muita watermelon lakini no kwa na kwa miri tenaza mwanga approve somehow is not a watermelon. Au gete kama mbaya. Kama sijama siami.
Deria 3 bank kabaomba kabomba kwiria mbecha ilitoa after kithurano 17th. Well, ungino kwa wale mato ebu okay tukuthoma message. Witana mbere kwa namba yetu kurugira 40321 namba yetu ya SMS kiri wa turu antukwe narua. Na kile tweet of course at Wero TV na no tone moko emwe sa ituro live kiri Facebook Wero TV Wero TV ta kiri Wero TV na okethro itona moko emwe kiri Facebook. So bwana ringira demands isi anasa tuchokere ngike demands isi anasa nonto bena mantu kenda yaraba kwenda one of them ni kulitwa kwa committee ba ni bakwenda kampuni ya kubudhe maratasi chinchwa au kwa kampuni maratasi nuntu bombere single sourcing ni turone boy aretere de nakire mbere kithurano kiki abudhe ke mweri yenana kwithirwa ate kampuni ya algorithm ya erotenda kutena kutumirwa but then untubu no kuona akakombe kana kweri twena ntuku yinkai kubudhe tender and all this
alimenya
okay kati wiki thimu izire mbere
okay
Wero TV hello. Hello. Wero hello.
Hello.
Habari kuu.
Habari.
Karibu sana tulale nao.
Hello.
Hello, habari kuu. Habari kuu, karibu sana. Karibu.
Hello.
Okay.
Niko mzuri.
Tulale nao kumako. Okay, tutete mbele. Wero hello. Habari kuu. Tulale nao kumako. Hello. Wero hello. Hello, habari kuu.
Ninja bio.
Karibu sana tulale nao kumako.
Okay.
Tuni sauti ya TV ku tafadhali kenda topa kwa watanira.
Ole endambilentale gumamwa. Ya.
Ukawatia.
Ndiruwa re. Ndiruwa woni antobau nasa. Adu ba to di yango ete buinu to ba ko chokere rirano na ayo sumi ka na mananya mono.
Yeah.
No to onta to ko na ibu da tu. Ya tinga ka yawe ta mu ya tine te ko ringa muzira. Tinga ka kara puya. No ko menya tinga ka ya ka we ko ra ko ya ka ya dewa.
Sorry?
Ya mi ko ni de na wa di ko dewa no to ba ko ra ko ya.
Okay.
Ya.
What do you mean kwa keo? Okay, karibu. Asante. Wero hello. Hello. Okay. Wero hello. Hello. Wero hello.
Hello.
Hello, habari kuu.
Nenda.
Karibu sana tulali nao.
Beta kwa ndimo kwa mama.
Kaberia.
Anku atwe. Na para umen boba kwa indiki ambaye ni kwa dola ndio baba ya makosa ndara.
Yeah.
Enda to ndio ni burano. Alafu kenda kwa hapo. Hata sekali burano hivi kwa sekali ndio kwa baba ndio kwa pinji bili kananya na sasa pinji pete pasenti ya kwenda ka. Kwa karwa taringi.
Okay. Haya, sawa. But this time kutena percentage ne simple majority. Non to ni rerun.
It's a fresh election.
But ni beri bobare kitene. Bobare.
Bobare lakini it's a fresh election.
So we'll need a 50 plus 1?
Yes, 25% in
24
50% constituencies.
Okay.
I mean counties.
Yes. Where hello? Hello. Where? Okay, watu tuningira mategero Wero TV hakikisha utonire kauka kameme ka TV ku kienda toba kwa watanira. Where hello? Hello.
Hello.
Where hello?
Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Hey. Hello.
Hello, turare nao.
Kwa nata.
Kwa sana turare nao. Okay.
Hello.
So, hello?
Hello.
Hello, habari yako?
Njega, nitakuwa Kendi kuma Miro.
Karibu sana Kendi.
Ndienda kuulia tiri.
Ito kuibwa Kendi, tafadhali ni sauti ya TV yako.
Ndienda kuulia tiri. Ikino tutu ikino ade pasi bat kura isho mba kuudira kia.
Chemba kwedra?
Ikino tutu ikino ade pasi bat kura isho mba kuudira kia ni. Dunno nduwa percent ndiwe twataga tukona itatega ito tindiro 50,000. It is 50,000 from the beginning to the end.
Yeah.
Nyata zindira the same. From the beginning to the end.
Yeah.
And most of these are facts that go in that computer generated.
Yeah.
Now, to bari na to empatha isi ginasa. Antoko ke yo tika gutethera kwena free and fair. It is not fair for anybody.
Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, no to kaya kura to jaunda alingirete munya kura. Kaya kayero kura. I will not feel good. I can't nkona kwa empatha isi ginasa.
Yeah.
Okay.
Asante Kendi. Thank you. I really need to kwenda ku ignore the fact that no kwethiro kwari na wamba bakura.
No, we ignore that point.
Yeah.
The only thing is that Supreme Court itagire kwari na wamba bakura. Kaya ugire transmission.
Yeah.
Results in all the neri. Lakini batagire anything to do with kura ida chiringis idichino dena.
Yeah.
So that's why I know Supreme Court here to the Kanjara. So exactly kedra transmission yeje kaya ongerere kana kedra kaya ongerere ongere to au kedai formula wo kende mama wa kuga kedai formula ne dingatirwa no garane to kamera after judgment yetu. Yes.
Okay.
The judgment etana na research on the na reports ira betan je chionde. No mo kabedra ba kuona chionde nandi kenda bandika proper judgment. So ito to kamera.
So maybe after a judgment here it don't to after 21 days. Now that it is 17. So maybe possibly by next week
by Thursday. By Thursday no makato tuna that report.
Yeah, no makato tuna report
is a must.
So report wiki ya kumira maybe NASA no bone nya more grounds chekuwate to kwenda IBCJ no bone more grounds chekuwate to kwenda kabuni ya Al-Ghurair maybe itawasaidia in how
no to nas no mora direction ira kote kaeja na economia exactly na judgment yao na regwete. Yes. Yamba corona is the company, the transmission. Yamba corona it is the printer. Para print. Yamba corona staff by IBC, returning officers, na presiding officers on the board that they are affected. So I got to get me another that report.
No, there are advantage after judgment here by Thursday.
By advantage that
as in Atiatika President Uhuru Kenyatta na Raila Odinga. Well, tuare koti yongwa ni advantage re kana ni advantage kire Raila. But then maybe oba kuithro akiona more grounds sia kuithro akiwa ati ni daire kura obo and
lakini na where the problem will be kinya ground sire kaumira itiumira cha kuchura mtu kura. Bueno, kire kaumira ikwali na dinaja. Na dinaja nandi tira sime droete mtu specifically advantage. When mtu aina nandi the 21 days you anti para consolidate their votes. Na mtu aratira ke territory yao. Ikizo mkono Uhuru aradio ron kire na area Nakuru. Eldoret, Nakuru, Nairobi,
Neta Western of course.
Meru. Western is Ruto better now.
Yeah.
Lakini Western is better State House. Kisii better Nakuru. So na ndio nataka Uhuru kana Jubilee it has been concentrating on consolidating the votes. So oreka uma yauga equal na problem kere transmission. Nonto ibaugere they have no case against Uhuru. So wote na Uhuru akwate nuna tena ira cha tangasiro nonto Supreme Court inaugere it doesn't have any problem or any issue with that respondent who is Uhuru Kenyatta. It didn't have any issue with him. Yeah. So na ndio tuwe mbako mwati dia tuwe mbo motera kura.
Okay.
Dena chonde cha wadirwe IBC. Na ndio kiraki kaumira kire ruling yu ya domwa ni ground siria na sai ko complainatio manto jaba chiloba manto jaba muhatia ngabao bao ichi kaumbira na ndio clearly yumere clearly ugenande chiloba played 1 2 3 4 na ndio kumanya ikaja kumira clearly like that commissioners batidro baenda bati no mwaka watu baba step aside haya o DPP prosecutor deputy Kirako Tobiko au gire we etere ruling so ruling nyumira ya uga CEO played 1 2 3 4 akawa to ekirendene so wotu mbakora elections kairi.
The reason why ngukuri atre kidurano kikomba kubwethika in that 6 days
nonto the operating staff tirasima chilobe the wale okay election run
ikethura well constituted.
Yes.
Itena secretariat.
Secretariat what commissioners back appoint an acting CEO. And it's
already been Antobaraba with Antobabo Antobo. Yes. Is it 6 or yes, Kure Antobo appointed Kure Antobo Chebukati appointed and Akawate Antoba Kuitorieta au beta something team. Na timu yenye karomera kidurano. Na well seems to believe in issue na book nyawo.
Meana kuna nde issue rero ni it was brought very speed. Nande Jubilee kira kira abata kumenya abata baijabu abata abamenya who are this. Na utaka ba itinarea ja the top man. Oh to ngai ma something. Haiti Mombasa ino numero nyingi 34A chara dina 34B. Na returning officer no. So that don't baguita muntu de nene ara kwala dina umuleta au no more the head of the team. So you can't be sure.
Okay.
That's why the complaint was there.
Could create SMS Hi Martin, Raila has no place to hide at Meru because we are jubilated. Like today, Orengo confirmed this when very few turned up at Maili Tatu. In fact, some went kuona ndege nikimkumamawa. Savage. Where is the funding of election going to come from? When a budget is set and election, I want to believe and consider that funding of the rerun in a budget. Therefore, it's my hope that if there is no money set for rerun, then we don't need to struggle with funding. Now ama Ken Mutwiri, sijaelewa hapo Ken. Wengine wakawa Uhuru alifanya kitu mzuri kupea John Mwirigi gari. Wengine wakawa Highwero, Mutangeria au Mwega au Mwaga Kiremurungu. Wengine wakawa Kithira 2017 Haimato nasalimia mgeni wako. Alafu kwa maoni yangu NASA wanaogopa na wanataka kupoteza muda ndio wapate nusu mkate. Arata ukarirengi. Miambo kwa mudia wana kadrimu. Miambo kwa mudia tukirekeria.
Oratomba orampomba kuga ni when bojitakire mashindano. Hata zukina nanya mubira jo European League, Man U na whatever. You see, otero Man U na the other team na Everton kana nara kokari Chelsea na Arsenal.
Yes.
Otena bako dictate ile fario reko karonga mera mubira jo na batomba kuga team referee ikedera kalio jo nojo. Unless okedera kuina a very big issue that referee in historically. Neomba kuga simtaki. So what I can say is NASA by right non to bakwedro to mete from a flawed election according to constitution. I mean the Supreme Court.
The court.
Yes, court raya ugere it was a symbolic election. So iba ko bogete kwina dina ya leo. So NASA by right. Na ndona IBC daiji uwekali no mwaka kwa tere stand yao mwaka ruling eje. Nontonyoka buta mtu dai no ete kotini na kauga mimi sina makosa. Lakini ande Supreme Court yaita ruling onania wewe ndio ulikuwa na shida kana department yako ndio ya thina then tayo kumarwa it's not a big issue utatolewa so batu as Kenyans na mbito buri kuthithia kila tukathithia itwekethiri mberema itukaenda gutonyerwo in any direction twita kindwa kanambi itwetere abaranirie nondu nya kethira no kuona baba raugire election no ikwe direct 26 baba Safran wa 26 they can be ready
26
mea kuku geta ku kare moka timetable magiro ikwe mbere nondu kigeri numero ke election no moka dizu within the 60 days otige ntukomba kuligeria nya kigero kiu nya kethira rito baka offended kana baka affected lazima ipelekwe vile watazima.
Na meambo ya Raila patikwa kinyaba bachelero.
Patikwa. That one was a very tough one. Ni muterere kumure jinga mono. No that boge jojo atako bakira. Na baraba leo.
Isi
don't
comment mo mtu mwe mwira baby bonto kura thira rayu na miaka.
Kera miaka uno to ta makaira. Ana. So what we can dire tulinge campaign yetu na njira yedire na tukienda na ou twendene tukenda kuruithano ni anybody nondu ya demonstration hivi kuru Kenya hivi choma kuleta cha tutera thina kurugi na biashara tukona chini tayari tukenda kutuitho thina kurugi tutoke Kenya yetu kuruki ule kalithai.
Thank you. Yes. Mutegere Oro TV ni bwega sana ntupa kwithiro watanite na atikiri mubango jo kwithiro no 2017 it's been awesome. Thank you so much na nonto maoni yaku kire SMS kire Twitter and of course kire Facebook. Asante sana ntupa kwithiro watanite na atu nibeto Martin Wechongi Orora tutrimane Jumapili wengi tukiariria kithurano 2017. Good night.
Kithurano 2017 siasa imwe kwemwe omme na ndene.